Hello, in this video I want to show you how to change your birthday in Tower of Legends. So in order to do this, let's click on this icon in the top right corner of the screen. Now open your backpack, move to character, and right here next to your name there should be birthday. So click on this pen, and that way you'll be able to edit your birthday. Click OK to save that. Your date of birth is currently set as 6/12. Once confirmed, it cannot be changed. On your birthday, there may be surprise, so click OK. And that way, you'll change your birthday. And that's it for this video. Hope you like it. Please consider subscribing to our channel, leave a like and a comment below.